Wagwan guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to sign up on Luel AI. After a friend told me he makes a lot of money from this, so I'm going to go to Luel LUEL.ai and it shows me this page, and then I enter my information. Then after that I tap continue. So a code gets sent to my phone. I enter the code and it's sign in. So now I'm signed into my Luel AI account. Now you can see that they say they are presently experiencing heavy traffic, which happens occasionally, and if your uploads appears to stuck. What I noticed is that there was only one task available, and this task is about CAD capture parametric modeling sessions, which is not even something I'm familiar with. So sometimes you would find tasks like this. Later in this video I'm going to show you another task that got available that I can do. Okay, so you can see this is paying $30 per hour, and you can decide how long you do. You can see more information about the task here. So you get about 63 cents per minute on this project. So you see what you need to do. You need to do a form of screen recording, and after doing the screen recording you need to upload it, and that's what they expect you to do. So there are more information here. So like the screen recording needs to be sharp. You can use OBS or you can use any other screen recording stuff to do it. I'm actually using OBS for my own recording right now, and you need to go at a reasonable pace. So they just tell you how they want you to do the project for the CAD. Don't worry, we're going to check another project that you can actually do how to actually make money from. So let's go back to the dashboard. So as you can see, for now I only have one job, so I decided let me view all the listing. Okay, let me check earnings. So under earnings we're going to find the option to add our payment method. So you can see saying, are you ready to earn? If I'm ready to earn, set up payment. So I click on set up payment. So that I entered my email, so it takes me to this page. I enter my email and then I hit continue. So the code was sent to my phone, so I just needed to copy the code from my phone and then type it in here, 655585. so that is the code. So I click on that, like authenticating the code. So it's asking, tell us about your business. I'm an individual / sole proprietor. So continue, and now it's loading. So it's asking me to verify my personal details, so I'm going to enter all my personal details. I autofill some. Okay, so it brings me to this page. So it's saying add an account for payout. You will send your earnings you receive to this account. Then I entered my domiciliary account number with GTB. Then I confirmed my account number with GTB. So so I go to Google and try to search for Swift BIC code of GTB, so I can enter it. I already told you guys I entered it there, so that's it there. So I can just copy it and paste. So it doesn't matter whether you use GTB, you can do this for other banks. So I just pasted the GTB Swift BIC code, then hit confirm and wait. Do you observe my location? My location for this purpose is Nigeria. I'm not using a US Stripe. It's not even asking you to sign up to Stripe, I think. So like Stripe is just like is a provider that Luel is using, and you can see that it's showing now that my account is connected. I think Stripe now even allowed Nigeria. I would verify that. But some of us already had a US account even before they allowed Nigeria. PayPal to now sort of allow Nigeria. Okay, so now this is my profile. Any tax. So the next thing to do is to go to browse tax. So now still back to browse tax. I have only one task, and that task I don't think I can do this or want to do this. But let us look at the kind of categories of tasks that we'll be seeing. You'll be seeing audio tasks, video tasks, things that need you to screen record. I don't need to view details of this task. This task is coming soon, so I would keep checking back.
2 days later.
And 2 days later, I opened my Luel.ai and see that there is one more task available. So the process for Luel is just to find a task, submit your work, and get paid. So there are 2 tasks available, which is already listed down. You can also click on browse tasks, so it shows you. So the other tasks that I said that said coming soon has still not been opened after 2 days, so we leave that out. So this one, English multi-party conversation. So let's see what it entails. Host a casual, it's just $10 per hour. Host a casual 4-person group conversation in English in a quiet settings with quality microphone. Each speaker is recorded on a separate channel. Sessions are 5 to 60 minutes long. Invite at least 3 friends or colleagues who are fluent in English. We will handle the rest. Payment is per minute per participant. Everyone who joins gets paid. So submission limit, so you can submit as much as I think 20. So it starts recording. But why I do this kind of videos is that $10 per hour is actually a good amount for each person that participate. That means for 3 of my friends that I call that participate in this. It might be a good money, but like there are other things you can also do to make more than this. So I'm just showing you this. If $10 per hour makes sense for you, there's no reason why you should not try Luel AI. Stay tuned on this channel. I talk about other platforms where you can actually make substantial amount of money. Peace and love.